The movement to send humans to Mars in the near term began at the University of Colorado in 1978. A graduate student in astrogeophysics named Chris McKay gave a small seminar on the possibility of introducing life to Mars.
I got interested in Mars in graduate school. I entered graduate school the same year that Viking landed on Mars and sent back these images, and it sent back data that showed all the elements needed for life are here on this planet, and yet there's no life here. And I thought, oh, that's odd. It's sort of the lights are on and nobody's home. And I thought, well, that's curious. So some of my other grad students and I, we sort of got together to talk about, well, if there's no life on Mars now, could we put life there? And that evolved also into the question, well, maybe there was life in the past, and we could find fossils, evidence of it. Well, how would you do that? Well, you do that by sending people there.
Together with fellow graduate students, the group decided to put together a small conference to discuss the matter of human Mars exploration.
We basically just started a forum. We invited everybody from all the NASA centers and from all the universities that were involved in it, and they all came. And it really was, in retrospect, I realized a very important step toward building a consensus for human exploration of Mars.
In 1996, I published my first book, The Case for Mars, and the response was phenomenal. I got 4,000 letters from all over the world. I had Parisian bankers and 12-year-old kids in Poland and firemen from Saskatoon and astronauts, and they're all writing me and saying, how do we make this happen?
Bob Zubrin came to the third Mars conference and got very much involved. And he was willing and interested in forming a society, forming a group and organizing.
He said, look, if we could pull these people together, if we can get them to work together, we could have a force that could actually make humans to Mars happen.
The group formed the Mars Society. Robert Zubrin became the president. They held their first convention in 1998.
The convention was just magic. We had no idea how many people were coming. They were there not just from the United States and Canada and Europe. They were there from Israel. They were there from Mozambique. They were there from New Zealand. It was astonishing.